I hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We're going to go over the markets. We did have an update today on the Dow, but S&P was down, NASDAQ was down, and guess what? We talked about NVIDIA. NVIDIA was down, all right? So welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Danny. Welcome, Danny. Welcome. All right, guys, let's go over the markets. All right. All right, so guys, we do have, all right, let's see here. Hold on. So we do have a buy signal. Hold on. Still have a buy signal on the Dow. All right, let me pull it up here. All right, buy signal on the Dow. Like I said, hey, Michael, welcome, Michael, welcome. All right, Dow was up today, was up over 400 points, but closed at 243. Buy signal here, like I said, made a move higher, retraced, but still holding. All right, still holding its buy signal here that's on the Dow. All right, a bit of a pullback. We'll keep an eye on the S&P, guys. All right, S&P just pull back a bit. All right, let's take a look at that. So a bit of a pullback, not a big deal on the S&P. All right, so I'm sorry, on the NASDAQ right here. All right, so NASDAQ, right, we have some white candles coming in. All right, guys, we'll keep an eye on that. We need buyers to come back in. Here is our upward trend line. So if it breaks that trend line, that's not good. All right, on the NASDAQ. Now, like I said, NVIDIA sold off a bit today after really good earnings. Okay, we'll take a look at that. The S&P, also a bit of a pullback. All right, right here, but still holding. Purpose support and resistance still holding near the highs. All the sectors are up, but we are not bullish on equities yet, okay? Hopefully that will change, but not now. The Russell small caps, IWM, all right? Buyers are still holding no buy signal on small caps. And we don't have a lot of stocks coming through. Stock boss for small caps either. The VIX is at 1565, so holding firm. All right, and again, sectors are doing fine. The Mag 7s, guys, so let's take a look at the Magnificent 7. All right, this is a big deal with NVIDIA. All right, hey, T, welcome, T. All right, NVIDIA, guys, had great earnings. All right, after market, all right, I would say most, all right, traders that are trading NVIDIA, right, if they were to bet that NVIDIA would have, right, break resistance and move higher, guess what? They would have put all their money on NVIDIA moving higher. This is why we do not follow the news, guys. We follow the price action. So we've been waiting for a break of resistance for a buy signal. Guess what? Even after that great earnings, all right, that great news. Oh, you guys don't see my chart here. Hold on. You guys got to tell me. All right, here we are here. Sorry about that. All right. All right. So NVIDIA right here, guys. All right, we were hoping for a break of resistance on all that good data to get a buy signal. That never happened. All right, so now we've got a white candle and we're here at support. This is a critical area right here. All right, critical area right here. Danny, NVIDIA is an AI stock. All right, it's one of the, we call them large cap, big mega cap stocks. So when you get a chance, just pull it up, NVIDIA, all right, much like Microsoft, all right, the Magnificent 7, Microsoft, Apple, all right, we call them big mega cap, big companies. Okay. All right. Good question. All right. So Apple, guys, Apple is holding right at resistance. Amazon sellers are still in red candles here. Microsoft, all right, red candles here. So sellers are still in control. Tesla, red candles. All right, so we want to wait. All right, so we want to wait. Sellers are coming down, so we want to wait on buying, no buy signals. Meta, Facebook. All right, Meta, Facebook, holding a buy signal right at resistance right here. All right. We have a buy signal, but it's not breaking out. Google right here, sellers are in control. It's in the markdown phase, no buy signal, so we stay away. NVIDIA, the price is 117. So 117.59 is where it closed. In order, guys, to see NVIDIA move higher to get a buy signal, we've got to get past resistance above 138. So I would say 138, 140 is when we will get a buy signal to continue to buy. All right, we did have buy signals all the way down here. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Again, we need a buy signal, break resistance. We have a nice V here. This would be nice to see if, right, we can create a cup and handle. All right, so this would be your cup, a handle, right, and a breakout. But we have a long way to go now for that to happen. Okay, on the daily time frame, Okay, all right. The pound yen, we saw some good action in the pound yen, guys. Currently, it's just holding, big picture holding here. But I'll show you guys what's happening in Forex. All right, so we are finally starting to see buying coming in. All right, so buyers are coming in still early on the 60-minute time frame in the yen pairs. On the 240, we got some buyers coming in, right? New up, that's good. And then on the daily, right, we've got some buying coming here, blue, so that's really, really good. We would like to see buyers come in the Aussie, Kiwi, and then yen pair. So that's good. All right, not a big move yet, but that's good. We have good volatility on the daily time frame here. All right, so really good volatility in Forex on the daily time frame. Just a small amount of consolidation down here, that red. On the 240, same thing. All right, good volatility, a little bit of consolidation, just how we like it. And on the 60-minute time frame, nice volatility. All that yellow here means the pairs are moving, and we have a small amount of consolidation here. So good volatility in Forex, and we are starting to get some direction here. Okay. All right. The dollar index, guys, made a move higher. So those dollar pairs closed. We started seeing the dollar pairs close yesterday. So that continued today. All right. So make sure our traders that are trading Monster Scalper, right? If you were shorting the dollar pairs, make sure you close those trades. Please. I would be careful going long. You might get some buy signals to go long. Just be careful of that because, all right, because sellers could come on down and continue, all right, moving the dollar lower. All right. All right. So we got a bit of a pullback right there on the short. But guess what? Just like the price came down here, went up, came down, went up, came down. Right here, went up, came down. It can certainly go up here and keep coming down. Okay, so be very, very careful going long the dollar pairs. Okay, I know it's up right now, right, in the futures market. Right, dollar index is up, but just be careful. Okay, let's go through current positions in our systems. All right, Monster Scalper long positions. Let's start with those. on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, we'll go through this quickly. I'm going to try to get you guys out of here early, okay, this evening. All right, so Aussie yen. Let's do Aussie yen right here. Buy signal here, guys. I know it's very choppy trading, so let's make sense of this, okay? All right, so we have resistance here. You guys know that. We have resistance here. Good support here, and we're trading within a tight range, all right? Very choppy trading. What we're looking for is for a break of resistance here. But remember, sellers are sitting here. This is where they'll knock your price back down. Buy signal was right here, our blue arrow right here, and we are holding here, hit resistance, a bit of a pullback, but still holding here. So Aussie yen on the 60-minute still holding. ZAR yen, all right, this is a fairly new trade. Buy signal here. All right, let's do this. Here's your markdown phase. So here's your discount, right? Your markdown phase. All right, accumulation, buy signal, markup phase. Target is right here for ZAR yen. SGD JPY. All right. All right, same thing. Very choppy, guys. On the 60-minute time frame, these yen pairs have been difficult. All right. On the 60. Buy signal here. We need to get to that resistance here. If we can break through resistance there, next trade is all the way up here. So a lot of consolidation. Hopefully the yen pairs will open up. HKD JPY, same thing. Markdown phase. And then buy signal here. These are sellers. Buy signal. Buyers are coming in. And then our target is right here. Okay. All right. Bring in your trend lines. USD JPY. All right. Same thing. Markdown phase. Buy signal here. Target is all the way up here. All right. Now, with these yen pairs, especially on the 60-minute, guys, just be careful trading them. Trade lightly. You guys know it's been frustrating trading them on the 60-minute. So until they break out, trade lightly here. Okay. All right. Aussie yen, we talked about that. Pound yen, close the trade, guys. So buy signal here, red candle. Close the trade, please. Pound yen. And Aussie yen, that's a new one we just got in. All right. Buy signals here, a bit of a pullback, and we're looking to break through resistance. Now, they're holding the trend. I'll show you guys here. Okay. Now, these are not easy trades here. Lots of consolidation in here, okay? So we have a nice trend line. Price has been bouncing up that trend line. Buy signal here, all right? A bit of a pullback. We're looking to, right, buyers to coming in and hopefully break through that resistance and move higher, okay? But again, very choppy trading. TRY, JPY, good markdown phase. All right, so we want to wait until that price all the way down to that markdown phase. Okay, we don't want to buy at the high. We want to buy at the low when the institutions, banks are starting to buy. Okay, so buy signal here. Our target is here, all green candles. Again, just be careful. Okay, those are the longs. We do have one short, $1 short. Let's take a look. Right, you guys remember we closed all those positions, really good short trades for some good profits, and they were oversold, so we do want those to close and then wait, okay, on the next round. All right, so dollar Swiss is the only dollar short that's left on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, let's take a look. All right. So USD CHF. All right. So USD CHF closed today, guys. All right. So really nice trades there. All right. So sold here, sold short here, red arrow right here, sold short. All right. I know it's hard to see, right? Right here, sold short here, buy to cover. Current trade, sold short right here, buy to cover, green candles, broke resistance, close the trade, please. So that trade is over. USD, CHF, right? Close the trade, please. All right. So those trades were on the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. We do have more trades on the 240-minute time frame. We have long trades. So let's take a look at those. Long positions. All right, so Aussie dollar, guys, really good trade going here for lots of pips. Buy signal here, good markdown phase. Buy signal, moving up nicely. We need to continue to break through that resistance. Just remember, sellers are here. We have purple support and resistance, so we are definitely overbought. Just be aware of that. Right, but all green candles, nothing to do here. All right, no red candles, no sell signal to close the trade, but great trade. You guys might want to take a picture of this. This is a perfect trade, right? The markdown phase, accumulation, markup. So sellers, we want to wait, all right, until buyers come back in on a break of resistance, which they did here, and we want to take that price all the way back up, okay? So Aussie dollar, good example of a good trade. NZD CAD, dollar CAD, another good trade here. Was choppy in here, good markdown phase, buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely, all green candles. Our target is here, but hopefully if it breaks through, keep those buyers, green candles will continue to hold. So buy signal here, and it's moving up nicely on the 240. Great trade here. Another good trade. NZD, USD. So buy signal here, all green candles moving up nicely here. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. Overbought, but it's been overbought here and here, so it keeps moving higher, right? It's getting past resistance in here, so we don't even have resistance anymore. We just have a high. So we can move this up, and let's see if we continue moving higher. NZD, USD, great trade going here. Another New Zealand pair or Kiwi pair. New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, guys. Good markdown phase. Look at that. All right, look at that. Consolidated right in here. Buy signal here. Took some time, but guess what? Moving up nicely. If you traded this and you were patient, good job. It's paying off, okay? A lot of the yen pairs, right? A lot of the yen pairs looks similar to this. All right, so we are hoping that the yen pairs on the 240 will move up also. Okay, just be patient. New Zealand Swiss. Next one, New Zealand yen. All right, buy signal here. Just mentioned the yen pairs, and it's moving up slowly. Good markdown phase. All right, so we'll let other traders buy here, guys. We'll let them buy here. All right, and what happens a lot? They'll buy here. While it goes down, we're going to wait until it bottoms out, wait till buyers come in, and then we'll get in. All right, so buy signal here, all green candles, target is up here. Aussie yen, this is a new buy signal, markdown phase, lots of consolidation in here. The good news is this consolidation is tight, so we have a very tight range here. And that's good because price has to go somewhere. So when it's tight like this, usually we'll get a big breakout, all right, to the upside, hopefully. Okay, so Aussie yen and then pound yen. Although pound yen closed on the 60-minute, guys, it's holding buy signal here, consolidating. But we do need buyers to come on in and just be patient with it on the 240. The minute you become impatient and you close the trade, that's when it takes off, okay? And you regret it. So we're going to hold, buy signal here, just hold, right, looking for a big break higher. And we're starting to see buyers come in these yen pairs. CAD yen, a new one we added today, buy signal. All right, let's move this here. Buy signal here. I know this is hard to see. We just need buyers to break through. Tight consolidation in here. This is where most traders will give up during these consolidations. Okay. Now we're testing, right? So we bought here. I don't think we took. Yeah, we took these trades. I think so. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Here we go again. All right. So hopefully it takes off, starts a trend. We'll pay for these small losses there. Okay. So CAD yen will continue to hold that trade. We have some dollar short positions in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame. Let's take a look, see if these dollar pairs are holding. So USD CHF dollar Swiss closed with some good profits. Okay, so USD CHF right here. Sold short here, guys, buy to cover. So sold short, red arrow right here to get in short, right? Broke resistance, right? Sell signal, white arrow here to get out. Close the trade, please. So dollar Swiss, close the trade, take profits. USD NOK, sell short signal is here. Still holding, guys. Still holding firm here. A lot of support here. Keep an eye on that. USD DKK, that also closed. Good short here. All right. Sold short right here. I think our entry was right about here. All right. Good short. Green candles came in, broke resistance at a minimum, guys. You guys should get out right here on that first green candle right here. That's buyers coming in. Worst case scenario, get out here on the sell signal, but we should be out here. All right, held support down here, good trading here. As a matter of fact, look here. Not bad shorts here on USD DKK. So sold short, buy to cover. Sold short, buy to cover. Sold short, buy to cover. Good trading there, okay? All right, USD DKK, good trading. USD SEK also closed. Not bad trading. Sold short here, buy to cover. All right, sold short here, buy to cover. Broke resistance right here. We've got to get out. Good support here, okay? Now, if the dollar index, guys, start moving lower again and we get another sell signal and we break this support, we'll call it. But until then, we wait, okay? So USD SEK, we're going to close that trade. USD DKK also, right? Close the trade, please. USD CNH. All right, we were concerned about this trade. Look here. All right, guys. So we talked about this one. Sell short signal was here with a lot of support. We had white candles here, and we said, hey, we're just going to wait to see if sellers can come on back in. And guess what? They certainly did in a big way. So big candles came in today. Look at that. All right, and we have another, let's see here. Let's bring this down right here. We have a low right here. So it looks like we could break through the low right here. I wouldn't call this support, but good recovery here on USD CNH. Okay, so we have two trades left. Okay, so USD NOK on the 240 and USD CNH on the 240, and the others close with decent profit. Okay. All right, we have a few on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at those, and we'll start with the shorts. Those of you who are here for the first time, new traders, this might seem advanced, but guys, keep coming, right? This is how we learn. You keep coming, and after a while, right, you pick up the lingo, right? You pick up the patterns, the price patterns. So just keep on coming. Okay, you're not gonna get it the first time or third or fourth. Okay, USD SEK sell short signal here. All right, trading right at support. So just remember, buyers are sitting here. We got to get past, right? Break down, make another leg down. Okay, so keep an eye on it. We don't want buyers to come on in. Okay, so USD SEK, USD DKK. All right, USD DKK holding. We need sellers to come on back down. Okay, it's on the daily time frame. Every candle is a day's worth of data. Okay, USD PLN. Right, we've been talking about USD PLN. We needed to stay below previous support, become resistance. So we need sellers to come on back down. If it recaptures, right, if it recaptures that resistance here or support, let's call it, right, that's a concern because we can see buyers take that price all the way up. So if you're trading it, just be aware of that. USD NOK, trading right at support. USD CZK, right here. And then dollar CAD, all right. So short signal here, waiting here. We want a larger move lower down here. Now the dollar index, we are waiting, hoping, let's put it that way, for the dollar index to break through this big support. This is a big support, guys. All right, big, that goes back all the way to 2015, right? 2015, a long time. This is look here, right? They held the price here at 100, right here, 2015, right here. So that's a big area here, all through here. So that $100 mark is a big deal for the dollar index. If it breaks through, makes another leg down to 95, right? We will see the dollar pairs, right? The dollar pairs here break through these support areas here. Okay, so notice how they are waiting for the dollar index. Okay, but we already have sell short signals. So if the dollar index moves lower, guess what? We're ahead of the game and we're already in. But if buyers come in, we'll know by our system and get out. Okay? All right. We do have some long positions in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look. So these were the shorts. These are on the daily time frame again, okay? So more position selling, position trading, okay? All right, New Zealand CAD, guys. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here. We'll break into that resistance. That's good. Euro CAD, right? Euro CAD, we've got to close the trade. Okay, so buy signal here on a break of resistance. We got a red candle, guys. Red candle here. Close the trade. Red candle came in today, close the trade. So buy signal here, red candle, sellers are coming in, close the trade. We don't want sellers to do this. If sellers come in heavy, guess what? What could be a profit, what's a profit right now, could be a losing trade. Okay, so close the trade. Euro CAD. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Right, breaking out a nice downward trend, very choppy, but we're looking for this trade here. Forget about this. This is the trade right here, breaking out of this trend line. Okay, euro dollar, same thing. Buy signal here. All right, made a move all the way up here, but it is pulling back. Keep an eye on this one because it might have reached its target here. Okay, so we have resistance here, and then here we are. So definitely if you're trading it, keep an eye on it. Buy signal here. So it is in profit. However, guys, if you give a wide candle, you might want to close the trade. Okay? All right. So euro dollar will continue to hold. Pound dollar, buy signal here, holding firm so far. I don't think we have any. Yes, we have resistance here. So boy, keep an eye. I wouldn't call this resistance. It's just a high. So keep an eye on it. There, it is getting past that area there. Okay. And we have green candles here looking like it wants to move higher this evening here. Okay, all right. So we've trimmed positions a bit. That's okay. What that means is, we might be setting up for another move in the other direction. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, so we cleaned up a lot of the shorts, and hopefully these dollar shorts, hopefully these yen pairs will start to move higher. As far as I want to show you guys what's going on here with stocks before we look at the current position, so you know what we're looking at. Okay, so stock boss guys, small caps, we don't have anything. All right, so we run over 22,000 stocks. When we scan this quickly here, we only have 29. That's not a lot. We have what? 4 stocks in healthcare. How many in tech? About 12. So the institutions are not in. All right, so we've got to wait. All right, so stock boss, small cap. That's the Russell index. Nothing here. All right, Bull Master, large caps. All right, so the S&P, NASDAQ, more expensive stocks, larger companies, we've got 33. I'm going to run it again. 33, that's not a lot. Usually, guys, when the market's bullish, we're moving, we'll have over 100. All right, we'll have well over 100. So just to show you guys, our stock boss traders, our bull master traders, just be patient, wait, okay? We don't have anything to trade there, okay? Again, the market, we have a buy signal on the Dow, all right? But it's just holding right at resistance on the Dow. S&P right here is holding. NASDAQ, a bit of a pullback. Russell right here holding. VIX, we have almost no volatility, which is good for equities, okay? And all the sectors are up, okay? So we need to become bullish. We need more buy signals, and we need to break through these resistance levels, okay? And we need our system, Stock Boss Bull Master, to give us more stocks from the institutions, okay? So if they're not buying, we should not be buying. And we know that they're not buying because we just did our scan, right? All right. Okay. Our US 30 traders, I heard from a few of you guys today, and I know you guys got excited. But let me show you guys what's going on. So US 30 traders, okay? Good news. We do have a buy signal that came in. All right, so buyers are here, broke resistance. We have a buy signal on the daily time frame. Now we're going to move this up. So here is our resistance. Now buy signal came in right here. All right, let's move this. On the 60-minute time frame, our trading window, we did call a buy signal today, okay? So the dollar index, the US 30, Monster US 30, buy signal, it's moving up here. This was the trade, and boy, it was doing so well. It was doing so well. All right, so you guys know we have a nice markup phase. Let's bring in our trend line. All right, and trading has been doing well on the US 30. Okay, so we bought here, sold here. It was a great trade. We didn't take this trade. This one we took, bought here, sold here. This one we didn't take, and this was the one we taken here. So we've done pretty well managing, right, taking the better trades. Okay, so good profitable trade, small profit here. We didn't take this, but we're in this one now. So all right, so it made a nice move higher, guys, right? It was doing really well, broke resistance, nice big candle, but then this candle here came all the way back down, all right? It's been choppy in here, all right? So it's choppy in here, but it is holding firm, all right? So there is data coming out, all right, in the New York session. So in the New York session, 8:30 a.m., data is coming out. All right, so keep an eye on that, right? What we hope is that we break through, again, break through that resistance and move higher. The good news, we have all green candles. Although very choppy trading, it is holding. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Our US 30 traders, it's on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, all right. So I would say if you're experienced US 30 traders, if you're watching it in the New York session and it makes a move higher, if you didn't get in here, right, makes a move close above resistance. I doubt it will do this overnight. Okay, breaks through that resistance close. You can take it if you miss the buy signal here because it's fairly close to the buy signal here. Okay, buy signal was here. Here is the price action right here, and the daily looks good, guys. Okay, the daily looks good. We have a buy signal on the daily, and if you guys look here, we have a nice V here. Good resistance. Okay, so here's your V, almost a cup and handle there. Okay, so, and the Dow keeps moving higher. It was up 243, so it keeps moving higher, and it's past 40K, 40,000. So it's at 41. All right, 443. So we can see traders continue to move it higher. The NAS 100, nothing. All right, just wait on that. And the SP 500, just wait. Okay, so you guys, those of you trading those systems, you guys notice we didn't send out any alerts on those. Okay, all right. Okay, last system, and then we'll be done. All right, so a little early this evening. So Monster Scalper, let's take a look at Monster Scalper. Okay, all right, let's see here. All right, let's see if we can find some opportunities on the 60-minute time frame to go long here. Long on the 60-minute time frame. All right, Aussie Swiss, guys, let's add Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss will move with the yen pairs, okay? So let's add it. We've got a buy signal. Let's bring this here. Buy signal came in right here, guys. It hasn't gone too far. Ideally, we want to get it right in here. It's right here. So we'll call it. All right, good support here, good resistance, and it's breaking out, okay? So Aussie Swiss long. So AUD CHF long on the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. That's Aussie Swiss. Aussie CAD. Let's wait on Aussie CAD. All right, we might let this one go. New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand Swiss on the 60-minute. That's gone too far already, guys. All right, so don't chase it. All right, buy signal here. It's all the way up here. Okay, Aussie Swiss, it's gone. I'm sorry, New Zealand Swiss. We do have it on the 240. Okay, so we do have it in here as an entry on the 240, but on the 60-minute, it's gone. Okay, all right, don't chase it. ZAR yen, we're in that already. On the $60 yen, we're in that. Boy, we need a move from the dollar, from the yen pairs. Your Turkish yen, TRY, we're in that. SGD, JPY, we're in that long. New Zealand yen, we're in that long. It looks good. On the 60, wait a second. No, we're not in it on the 60. It's gone too far, guys. So buy signal was here. That's too bad. We're in it on the 240, but not on the 60. Buy signal was here, and it's moving up. It's gone too far. Okay, right. All right. New Zealand yen. HKD JPY, we're in that already. Buy signal here, moving up. Wait for pound yen. Very choppy. Nothing here. Nothing here. CAD yen, we're holding that. Aussie yen. Aussie yen looks like it's getting close to breaking out. Okay. All right. The dollar. Too early to go long on the dollar pairs. Is Anthony on here? I know Anthony is trading USD MXN long. All right, so Anthony, good job. I tell you guys, we're USD DKK. We'll try one long. USD DKK. This one looks good. Long on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Okay, who's on here? Michael, this is one you might want to add to the ones we looked at today. All right, on the 240, it looks good. All right, so 240 and on the 60. So we have a buy signal here, good markdown phase. Okay, Michael, good markdown phase. And you're trading these on the 240. So good markdown phase, good discount. All right, buy signal. So markdown accumulation, buy signal, markup phase. All right, so you might want to take a chance on this one here. So USD DKK long on the 240. That's the 240 here. And then 60-minute also on the 60-minute. But Michael, 240 for you. Okay, 60, good setup here on the 60-minute. So markdown, accumulation, markup, buy signal. All right, buy signal here, target, first target. Let's get to the first target first, and then we'll see. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely, all green candles here. These are buyers. And if we can get past or two resistance here to the first target, next target would be up here. And then if it gets past resistance here, all the way up here. Okay, all right, but good setup here. So USD DKK on the 60-minute and on the 240. All right, but Michael, 240 for you. All right, USD DKK, and we'll wait on the rest of the dollar pairs. Let's see here. Nothing here. Nothing here. USD, keep an eye on USD CHF. Let's see here. This could be a quick trade. Hold on. All right. So USD, guys, keep an eye on these dollar pairs. All right. Good markdown phase. Remember, guys, these are like a rubber band, right? When they come down like this, right, there's a good chance, right, we could get a bounce up. I'm not saying that it would last long, but you could get a decent trade to go long, okay? Good mark. Look at that. Good short. So we shorted it on the way down. Let me show you guys here. All right. This is great trading. So USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, where is it? Dollar Swiss right here. So we shorted it down, so short buy to cover, so short buy to cover. Now we're taking it up. All right, so we can make money short, and now we are looking to take it up. Good trading here. So USD, we'll add it. USD CHF, short, long, long on the 60-minute, okay? On the 60-minute. The 240 isn't ready, quite ready yet on the 240. All right, on the 240 here, we don't have any buy signals, guys, okay? All right, so not ready yet. No green candles, so buyers are not, they haven't come in yet, okay? But on the 60, right, looks good. If it fails, guys, so if it fails, and it will fail right here, no big deal, close the trade, okay? So it's breaking resistance here. Resistance becomes support. So if it fails, we'll get a sell signal somewhere in here. But look at our risk reward, all right? So we're risking, all right? We're risking, right, this loss, small loss here, all right in this area here. Worst case scenario down here, but look at our reward, right? We're looking to go much higher, okay? Small losses, big wins. So USD CHF, long on the 60-minute time frame. Euro pairs, guys, just for right now, not much here, okay? Not much here. You might find an individual trade with the euro and pound pairs. All right, if you do, that's fine. Otherwise, just wait. But you can take individual trades long, not the whole group, on the dollar pair. So find your spot. But the yen pairs, that's what we really, right, finally hoping that they break out to the upside. Okay. All right. So our monster scalper traders, yen, all right, yen pairs long, all right. Dollar pairs, no more shorts in the dollar pairs, right? So look for some here and there long positions. Equities, nothing, right? Equities, just hold off. The Mag 7, our Bull Master Pro traders, just hold off for now. All right. And US 30 traders, that current trade, just keep an eye on it. Okay. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Okay. So hopefully next week things will open up a bit. But guys, you guys know, just find your spots. All right. There's still opportunities to trade. All right, you can't trade everything and you can't go heavy. Just trade lightly, find your areas, okay? All right, guys, thanks for coming. And our new traders, welcome, guys. Welcome and keep coming, all right? Keep coming. I know a lot of this information sounds advanced, but as you keep coming, all our traders started brand new. So just keep coming, okay? So welcome. Okay, guys, take care. Enjoy your evening. Take care. Bye-bye.